How are you guys doing? My name is Kevin and today I'm going to show you how to make a mixed fruit smoothie. This one is going to be crazy because usually I only put like 1 or 2 fruit in each smoothie, but today we have 5. So let's get right into it. First thing we're going to do is add 5 ice cubes. Next, let's put half a banana in. Now I actually planned all this out ahead of time, so I cut up my fruit and froze it. It's gonna work better if your fruit is frozen. It's gonna make more of an icy, better tasting smoothie. But if you don't remember to do that, pretty much fine. But if you do have time and you remember, freeze the fruit ahead of time. So we got that half a banana in there. After that, we're gonna do about half a cup of strawberries. Put those guys in there. Next, we're gonna go into half a cup of blueberries, or about a handful, or whatever you have. Toss those bad boys in there. Next, a little something special is about half a cup of pineapple. This stuff I did freeze. And then to get some vitamin C in there, we're gonna put in half or a whole orange, whatever you wanna do. Today I'm gonna put in a whole orange. Chop that in half, take the peels off. I happen to have seedless oranges, so I don't even have to worry about seeds, which is nice. Next, we're moving into our most important step. Do not forget this step if you can. We're gonna be adding 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Oh. 3. Almost done. The last thing we're gonna add is orange juice. You're gonna wanna fill it up about 1/4 of the way up. Don't overfill it, underfill it if anything, and then add in more as you go. There, that's about right. Let's mix it up. What color do you think this is gonna be? I'm guessing orangish? Orangish, reddish, bluish? I don't know. Did anybody say purple? Wow, that looks so good. I cannot wait to drink this thing. I'm gonna go drink this amazing mixed fruit smoothie, and I will see you guys next time.